Hey, what's up, guys? This is Eddie coming before you. Hope all is well with you and your families. So, today I want to come back before you to discuss some market data. So, yesterday I came before you guys and I discussed recent closings and what the numbers look like. And one of the things that I discussed was closing costs. So, seller paid closing costs is pretty much non existent right now. So, I mentioned that if you are in a position to where you need the seller to contribute to your closing costs, chances are that's not going to happen. And I would even recommend, as your real estate agent, I wouldn't recommend that you ask the seller for closing costs because more than likely it's going to disqualify you from being considered, from your offer being considered. So there are some programs. So there are some lenders out there that have programs that will pay your closing costs. So I want to go through a few of those for those of you out there that may need some closing cost assistance. We don't want to ask the seller for them, but there are some lenders out there that could potentially help you out. So let's go through a couple really quick. So Ameris Bank, all right, they have a 100% product. It's a conventional product, and I think the minimum credit score requirement there is 680. So Ameris Bank has a conventional product. One of the things we talked about, the benefits of the conventional loan. So this is right in line with that. So you can get a conventional loan, 100%, meaning no down payment requirement. You're still going to have to pay some closing costs, but at least you don't have that 3% down payment. So you can reach out to Ameris Bank. Also, First Citizens. Well, let's talk about Synovus first. So Synovus also has a 100% product, conventional as well. Minimum credit score there is 636. So if you have at least a 636 there for Synovus, you could potentially qualify for this program. Now, it is a conventional product which has a lower debt to income ratio threshold as well. So Synovus Bank is an option. First Citizen as well. So they have what's called a community opportunity mortgage, which is a 100% product as well. So First Citizens is someone that you may want to look into. First Citizen also does the Palmetto Heroes. So that's for individuals that are in the military. You may be in law enforcement, firefighters, correctional office, teachers, medical professionals, National Guard, military personnel. So all of you are considered Palmetto Heroes. So you could potentially qualify for an additional $12,000 towards your down payment and closing costs there. Now you also have other 100% programs. So obviously if you're a veteran, the VA loan is 100%, no down payment requirement. If you're looking to move into a rural area, you have USDA, so that's Kershaw County, so Camden, those areas, Lugoff, some portions of Elgin. You have even some portions of Richland County, some areas of Blythewood, down in Hopkins or Lexington. So some areas there qualify for USDA as well, which is 100%, no down payment requirement. You have the NACA program. So I've had a couple of clients that go through that. So there's no down payment, no closing costs, and no credit score requirement on that. Now with NACA, sometimes it takes a little while to get through the program, but if you can get through, that's a great program. You have state housing where they'll give $8,000 and $10,000 towards your closing costs as well. Now, obviously, most of these programs have some requirements. They have income limits, they have credit score requirements, so they have pros and cons. So you have to pretty much reach out and see which one works best for you. If you have any questions, you need some contact information, just give me a call. My phone number is 803-497-7112. That's 803-497-7112. So the great news is, although the seller may not pay your closing costs, if you are in need, you could look into some of these programs. All right? Talk to you guys soon. Y'all have a blessed day.